In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use the voice typing feature in Google Docs. This tool is incredibly helpful, whether you're looking to speed up your writing process or find typing on a keyboard cumbersome. Voice typing allows you to dictate your thoughts and ideas directly into your document with ease. First things first, to start using this feature, you need to be in Google Docs. So make sure you have a document open where you want to begin dictating your text. This can be a new document or an existing one, whatever suits your needs. Once you're all set in Google Docs, look at the menu across the top of the page. What you're looking for is the Tools option. This is your gateway to a range of functionalities Google Docs offers to enhance your document editing experience. Go ahead and click on Tools. Navigating to this section is straightforward, given it's tucked right between the Insert and Extensions menus. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing a variety of tools available for use in Google Docs. Here, you'll want to locate voice typing, which is usually found a few entries down from the top of the list. Make sure you click on it. Upon clicking, you should notice a microphone icon appearing on your screen. This icon will generally be to the left side of your document space, just waiting for your input. Before you start speaking, make sure that your microphone is connected and working properly. You might need to grant Google Docs permission to access your microphone, especially if this is your first time using the feature. Now, when you're ready to start dictating, simply click on the microphone icon. You'll see it turning red, which is an indication that it's actively listening to you. From this point, whatever you say should appear as text in your document. Speak clearly and at a steady pace to ensure that the voice recognition can accurately capture your words. It's really impressive how much this tool can pick up accurately, but don't worry if it takes a little time to get used to it. If you want to insert punctuation or new lines, you can simply say them aloud. For example, saying period will insert a full stop, while saying new paragraph will drop down a couple of lines, creating that new paragraph you need. When you're done speaking, or if you need to take a pause, just click the microphone icon once more and it will stop listening. You can click it again whenever you're ready to resume dictation. That's all there is to it. With these straightforward steps, you'll have harnessed the power of voice typing in Google Docs, making your writing process faster and more efficient. Give it a try and see how it transforms the way you work with text in your documents.